It's Hot Rod. Show you what I've been working on today. Worked on Rusty again. I put a nice transmission cooler on it with a fan attached to it. I'll show it to you in a second, but you can hear it. This is the fans to the radiator. Turn that off. This is the fan to the transmission cooler. Now let's start it. We'll go out there and look at it. That's it. I love working on this thing. That's it for the day. Got to get the wiring done. Put the exhaust on it. We're going cruising, buddy. Later. Thanks for watching.